Nissan Ariya 2020 for the electric crossover. 100% electric. Powertrains accessible. 217 to 394. Max motor power PS. 247 to 330. Max range miles. 63 to 87. Battery limit kilowatt-hour. New Nissan Ariya SUV 2024. As far as appearance plan, the new Ariya has not changed at all. The dark angular plan on the front proceeds the movement family style plan idea and adds a new bunch plan component to the subtleties. The headlights have a long, thin shape comprising of 4 light sources organized next to each other and a drove light strip. A jolting ride with E4 ORC innovation double engines and a remarkable all-wheel drive. Innovation, Ariya conveys the ideal harmony between strong and phenomenal control in all circumstances. Send off with moment force at each of the 4 wheels. Overcome territory with all climate foothold. Corner with exact control. What's more, partake in each moment while guaranteeing a smooth ride.